Hey guys, Aaron Statzer with Koval Technologies coming today from Southern California. Today we're going to go through how to properly clean your SP-12. A couple things you need: gloves to protect your hands, a couple extra rags for cleanup and drips, acetone, an empty bucket for proper disposal, and then a small cup with acetone to clean some of the small components, which we'll go through later in the video. First thing you need to do now that you've got your job completed is release the pressure on the tank. Unscrew the cap. Dump your excess in your bucket. Once you've done that, there's still product in the line and in the wand. You want to make sure you get that to the tank so you can empty it out as well. Easiest way to do that: hold this up in the air, pull the trigger, and allow gravity to allow that product to flow back to the tank. This can take sometimes 30 seconds. Once the wand and the hose is drained, dump the excess product into your disposable bucket. The next thing you want to do is remove the tip. There's probably going to be some product still left in this tip, so just do it over a rag. You're wanting to remove the micron filter with the EDPM seal. Additionally, you want to remove your spray tip and your spinner plate, as well as the additional EDPM seal that goes with it and the locking nut. Take all those components and drop them into the cup of acetone and allow them to soak and dissolve the product. The next thing you want to do is you want to take a quart of acetone and dump it into your tank. Then put the lid back on and secure it. Then you want to take your tank, shake it. You want to coat the entire inside of that tank with the acetone, fully diluting the excess Koval that's inside. Once you've done that, pressurize the tank. Hold your wand into your disposable bucket. Release the trigger and allow the acetone to flow through the system. Once that's done, best practice, repeat that process one more time, and your SP-12 will stay clean and ready to use on your next project.